This is the dinosaur train. Ready, set, go! Yeah! The dinosaur train finished in first place. Way to go! You get a gold. The engineers are having a race today.
Game! Game guy! Print! It's the Claw Stars against the prehistoric...
Throw the pine cone to the teammate closest to Buddy. Ready, set, go! Way to go, team!
The Claw Stars are ahead!
Throw the pine cone to the teammate farthest from Buddy. Ready, set, go! Nice throw!
The Claw Stars continue down the field.
Throw the pine cone to the teammate that is closest to this dinosaur. Ready, set, go! Way to go, team!
And the Claw Stars keep dishing it out to the prehistoric predators.
Throw the pine cone to the teammate that's furthest from this dinosaur. Ready, set, go! Nice throw!
Claw Stars are in scoring position.
Throw the pine cone to the teammate that is the second furthest from Buddy. Ready, set, go! No, that wasn't the plan. I asked you to throw the pine cone to the teammate that is the second furthest. But you threw the pine cone to the closest teammate. Let's try again. Way to go, team!
Goal! The Claw Stars are victorious! Field guys! Field video!
We're headed up. Here we are. There are 7 fossils in this area. Let's find them all. Keep an eye on the drill. If it wears out, we'll have to return to the surface for repairs. Keep drilling. Rocks take longer to break through. When the fossilometer is lit up, it means there's a fossil around here somewhere. Look, there's a mineral over there. We can collect minerals to strengthen the drill so we can drill farther. Yay! You found a fossil. Now let's find the rest of them. A branch from a tree. How tall do you think it grew? It's a fossil of a brittle star. These still exist today. Hey, there's a troglobite. Troglobites are creatures that live in dark caves. Maybe it'll know where we can find some fossils. You found all the fossils. Nice digging.
Game!
Let's see.
Field guide.